Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about direct speech and indirect speech. You know, direct speech means pratyakya ukti and indirect speech means parokya ukti. Right? So, while doing indirect speech, we make three changes. First, we remove double inverted comma, and instead of inverted comma, we use that to if, whether, and five. And we change the tense form of the verb in reported speech as per the tense form of reporting a verb. Next, and we change pronoun. Could understand? And sometimes we change what? Na generally verbs change. Is, am, are changed into was, are it changed into were, has, have, had becomes had, was, were becomes had been, shall becomes should, would, may become might, can become could. Similarly, change of words denoting nearness, nikotata or samya sthana, direct speech. Now, then, this, that, these, those, here, there, hither, thither, hence, thence, thus, so, ago, before, today, that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day or the day after, tomorrow, the next day or the following day, just then, come, go, next week, the following week, next month or year, the following month or year. So, these, in this way, we change the verbs and also the time adverbs. Now, here, activity 1, let's study. A nationality famous nationally. What did I say? A nationally राष्ट्रीय स्तर फेमस प्रसिद्ध म्यूजिशियन जादूकर हैज अराइव्ड इन योर सिटी पहुँची एंड हैज प्रेजेंटेड हिज परफॉर्मेंस तांकर परिवेषण करछंती तो हिज मैजिक शो तांकर जादू विद्या जादू परिवेषण हैज प्रूव्ड टू बी एन अमेजिंगली पॉपुलर बहुत जनप्रिय होता आश्चर्यजनक भाव डिफरेंट लोकल न्यूज पेपर्स स्थानीय खबर कागज हैव गिवेन देयर कमेंट तांकर वक्तव्य देइचंदी ऑन हिज परफॉर्मेंस एज फॉलोस सो दिस शो इज ब्रिलियंट हु सेड द समाज सेड द समाज इट मेड मी जंप अप इन द डिलाइट द रिपोर्टर्स फ्रॉम द समाज नेक्स्ट वी कांट हैव ए बेटर शो द धरित्री सेड you shall love it the dinalipi so dinalipi yes you shouldn't miss it the prajatantra his performance outstanding the matrubhasha so these sentences in inverted commas are reported speech all are in direct speech we will change them into indirect speech okay we shall do it just 1 minute here we shall do it. Okay. First, what did I say? First, we shall remove inverted comma. Right? What did I say? Here is the inverted comma. Let's remove. Yes, removed. And the sentence in the remember. This sentence in the inverted comma is what? This show is brilliant. Full stop. What kind of sentence? Statement or interrogative or exclamatory or imperative? Tell. Question mark is not there, so it is not interrogative. Right? This is the verb. Is the verb. Right? This is the verb. So here subject. Right? The subject is there full, so it is a statement. In a statement we use that instead of what? Inverted comma. So let's remove inverted comma. What did I say? Remove inverted comma. Yes, let's do it. removed. Yes, see, yes. Then we will use that use. Could understand? Use that. Okay, instead of used so this so is will become what was, right? So is will become was, right? This so was brilliant. Could understand? So the right sentence will be just 1 minute. The Samaj reported that the Samaj reported that yes, the show was the show 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 was brilliant. Full stop. Could understand? The Samaj reported that the show was brilliant. Next, another sentence. It made me this one. It made me jump up in delight. The reporter from Sambad said. Right? So, what type of this is the verb? Made is the verb. There is a subject plus subject verb. And the sentence does not end with exclamation mark and also interrogative or question mark. So, it is a statement, right? যেহেতু এইটা প্রশ্নবাচক চিহ্ন আইডি নাই আর শেষের আছে কি এক্সক্লেমেশন নাই প্লস সাবজেক্ট আছে প্লস সাবজেক্ট মিন্স হোয়াট স্টেটমেন্ট তো ইন স্টেটমেন্ট হোয়াট উই ইউজ ইনস্টেড অফ ইনভার্টেড কমা বদলে আমি কোন ব্যবহার করছে দ্যাট রাইট তো লেটস রিমুভ দ্যাট হিয়ার ইজ উই উইল রিমুভ ইট জাস্ট 1 মিনিট Yes, we will remove that. Sorry. And use that. Removed what? Inverted comma and used that. Okay. Made that made past tense. The Samaj report that this show was brilliant. The reporter from the Samaj said that it made him. So me will become him. Right? Me will become him. The answer is the reporters from the Samaj. Samaj or what? The reporter from the Sambad, right? Sambad, said that SAID said that it what? Made him, me became him, right? Made him what? Jump up, tell jump up in delight. DELIGHT, delight. Full stop. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. That is, we can't have a better show. The Dharitri. Said the Dharitri. Here mark the sentence in inverted comma. Helping verb is it. This is helping verb. Shall can't have. And there is a subject that is we. Could understand? So this is a statement. So in this case, in place of inverted comma, what shall we use? कौन व्यवहार करिबा? Inverted comma बदल that. Okay, let's use. What did I say? Yes. Here inverted comma. Right? Oh, that. TH80 that used. Here we will remove comma. So the answer will be like this. The Dharitri said. The Dharitri reported. The Dharitri. Dharitri. Yes. The Dharitri
Reported.
reported that tell that we will become they
They could not.
they
Could not.
oh, just 1 minute they can will become could they could not they could not what they could not have
A
could not have better show better
so
show show okay. The Dharitri reported that there could not have a better show. A is not given. Next one is here. You shall, this is you shall love it, the Dinolipi. Said the Dinolipi. So, mark the sentence in inverted comma. Mark the sentence in inverted comma. What is in inverted comma? You shall love it. You shall.
love it.
So, verb, you shall love. Shall love is a verb. What did I say? Shall love verb. Subject is there plus subject. No question mark, no exclamatory mark. So, it is a statement. In statement, we use that instead of inverted comma. So, let's remove. What? Inverted comma. Yes, we shall remove. And in place we will write what? That done. Okay, here we will remove. Right? Yes. Now the sentence will be the just 1 minute. The what did I say? The Dinolipi. The Dinolipi. Dinolipi. Lipi. The Dinolipi told that yes. The Dinolipi told that we would do would love it. Right? We would love it. So, what happened? We used that instead of inverted comma. We changed you into we and we changed shall into would. We changed tense, we changed pronoun, we changed inverted comma. Right? Next, now let's move to the next one. That is, yes, you shouldn't miss it, the Prajatantra. Right? Here, you shouldn't miss it. It is, what type of sentence it is? Statement, because there is no question mark, no exclamatory mark, and this is a verb. Subject is also there. This is a verb. Could understand? This is a verb. Shouldn't miss, and this is subject. So it is a statement. Instead of what? Inverted comma, we will write that. So let's do it. Okay. Yes.
That.
Done. We shall write that. Okay. Remove inverted comma. Okay. Now let's this sentence be like this. The Prajatantra. The Prajatantra. Prajatantra. The Prajatantra reported that the Prajatantra reported that we should not should not what miss 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 it. Right? Full stop. Now let's move to the next one. His performance is outstanding. Right? The Matrubhasha said. So, mark the sentence. What type of sentence it is? It is also statement. So, we shall use what? That instead of inverted comma. Yes, that. Okay. Next, this inverted comma should also be removed. Yes. Now the sentence will be like this. The Matrubhasha. Matrubhasha नहीं commented or reported or commented मतलब reported REPORT reported that his performance for months is will become was outstanding. Okay, full stop. Right? Okay, done. So that is the end of today's lesson. We will discuss the other activities in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.